Hello, vintage outboard motor fans. It's Christmas again. It's time for another episode of Ship It and Fix It, T. Mike's mail-in repair service. Let's see what we got this morning. We got a box. It says it's from Mark in Colorado. I think I know what this is. I got a mail-in repair order from him for to put the rope on his rewind starter. Let's see if I'm right. There's a prepaid return shipping label. Here's a note. Yeah, and here's the rewind starter. So I remember now, I did a restore for him, and he broke the rope. He broke the rope trying to start it, so he bought a rope on my E-line store, 6 foot long, and he said the other rope was only about half that long. So I tried to tell him that he pulled the rope too far. So what it is, I believe this is a 5.5 horsepower motor, and the rewind starter is so small you can't put 6 foot of rope on it. So I'm gonna make a video of how you can put the maximum amount of rope on here on the different size rewind starters. All right, so that's what we're gonna do. Here's his note. Wow, fancy. Cool. Got a little bit of cash in it. And he says, many thanks as always, Mark. Thank you, Mark. Alright, so here we go. Ship it and fix it. 5.5 horsepower rewind starter. Replace the rope. Be a fun video. Everybody's ready. Here we go. Alright, so here we go. Here's the tools we're going to need. A pair of cutting pliers. Just the right size screwdriver to put in this hole to hold it in place when you're rewinding it. I'll show you. And then a lighter to burn the ends when we cut it off. All right, so here's the rope. We got a washer on it to help hold it from getting pulled through. I'll pull the washer off. Pull the rope out. And here's where the rope comes out to tie a knot in it. So I'm going to turn it counterclockwise as many turns as I can, so as tight as I can. Then I'm going to stick a pin in, take this in to hold the rewind starter. Okay, that's counterclockwise as far as I could go. And I got this pin, this screwdriver in there, locking it in place. Now I'm gonna thread the rope. Actually, I think I'm gonna thread it a little different way. I'm gonna thread it coming back this way. Thread it in here. Okay, I got it right here. I'm gonna go through this hole. I'm gonna take this off and put my knot on this side. Put my washer on. Okay, so I got my knot with my washer right here. Now I'm gonna release the pin. It's gonna suck the rope back in. We'll see how much of this 6 foot of rope will get on there. I bet you it won't get half of it. I'm gonna take it and tie it to my handle of my drawer so it don't suck it all the way in. Like I figured, it only pulled in about half of it. It's just a small rewind starter. It can't hold that. You can't pull it like the larger ones. You only can pull it short. That's just the makeup of it. So now I'm gonna take a marker and I'm gonna mark right here, and then I'm gonna cut it to put the rope on it. Okay, so I'm gonna pull it out, put my pin in so it'll hold it out there where I can cut it. Now I'm gonna cut it right here. Here's a rope that did not get put on. Put my handle. I'm gonna pull my pin out. And here you go. So this is as far as it goes. That's just all the rope that it holds. So when you're pulling it, on the bigger rewind starters, you can pull all the way back here. On these smaller ones, you can only pull right here. That's how you do it. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. See y'all next time. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I know I enjoyed making it. If you did, hit the like button and also hit the subscribe button and catch all my videos. You know, my passion are these vintage outboard motors. Johnson & Evinrude, 1950s, 60s, and 70s, 3 horsepower to 18 horsepower. I think I have all the videos, over 500 videos, on everything you need to know to repair, service, and restore your vintage outboard motors. I have all the parts, all the videos, and all the parts manuals for you to do that. I love what I do. The best way to reach me is on my website, tmikevintageoutboards.com. You go to that website, I have links for everything you need. I have links for all the parts you need. If you don't know the parts you need, there's a link called the Parts Broker where you can fill out the form and submit it to me, and I'll find your part for you. All right. I also have a link for a mail-in repair service where you can ship me your carburetor, your gear case, or your magneto. I'll repair it, video it, put it on YouTube, and ship it back to you. I also have a link for technical consulting. If you have a question, just fill out the link. There's a donation page if you want to help pay T-Mike, and I'll answer your question and get back to you. That's the best way to reach me, is on my website, tmikevintageoutboards.com. I love what I do. It's been a great ride, and remember, always remember, and never forget, here at T-Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time.